What makes trust drafting and administration so costly? Imagine setting up a detailed plan to protect your assets and ensure your loved ones are taken care of. Now, think about what it takes to make that plan work smoothly over time. That's where trust drafting and administration come into play, and they can add up in costs for a few solid reasons. First, creating a trust isn't just about writing a document. It involves careful legal work to make sure the trust reflects what you want and follows all the laws. An attorney might charge between $250 to $500 an hour, depending on the trust's complexity. A simple revocable trust could cost around $1,000 to $2,500 to draft. But if your trust involves business interests, multiple beneficiaries, or specific tax strategies, the cost can jump to $3,000 to $10,000 or more. The more assets and special provisions involved, the longer the lawyer needs to work, which increases the cost. Once the trust is in place, it needs ongoing management. That's where a trustee comes in. Whether a person or a professional, they charge fees for managing the trust's assets, keeping records, filing taxes, and making distributions. Trustee fees are often a percentage of the trust's value each year, typically around 1% to 2%, or they might bill hourly. Administrative costs also include postage, legal advice, accounting, and tax preparation. If your trust holds real estate, business interests, or many investment accounts, managing those assets takes more time and expertise, which adds to the bill. Tax compliance is another big factor. Trusts must file their own tax returns, which can be complicated. Hiring a tax professional to prepare these returns adds to the costs. Trusts with complex assets or multiple income streams need careful reporting to avoid penalties, and that takes time and money. Plus, if your trust owns diverse or hard-to-manage assets, like real estate or business interests, it requires active oversight. This means more work for the trustee and possibly additional specialists, which can push costs even higher. While these expenses might seem high, trusts offer benefits like avoiding probate, protecting assets from claims, and controlling how your wealth is distributed. Knowing why trust drafting and administration cost what they do helps you plan better. It's an investment in peace of mind and long-term security for your family.